How do I capture SIGINT in Python? I'm working on a Python script that starts several processes and database connections. Every now and then I want to kill the script with a Ctrl+C signal, and I'd like to do some cleanup. In Perl I'd do this. How do I do the analog of this in Python?
Register your handler with signal.signal like this. Code adapted from here. More documentation on Signal can be found here.
You can treat it like an exception, keyboard interrupt, like any other. Make a new file and run it from your shell with the following contents to see what I mean.
And as a context manager. To use. Nested handlers. From here, this URL.
You can handle Ctrl+C by catching the keyboard interrupt exception. You can implement any cleanup code in the exception handler.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.